Okay, class, welcome to another lesson with your teacher, Auntie Tissan. Hey, class, let's count from 1 to 20. Let's go. Right, let's count from 1 to 10. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Right. Let's continue. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let's play a game with our numbers. Right, class, let's count forward and help Mel fill in the missing numbers. Can you do that, class? Okay, let's go. So we have numeral 1, 2, but what is missing? 3. Good. Then we have 4. Then what's missing? 5. Good job. Next one. We have 3, 4, but something is missing. 5. Good job. Then we have 6, but another number is missing. 7. Wonderful. You did it. Let's continue to help Mel. Let's go. We have 11, 12. What's missing? 13. Good. Then we have 14. But another number is missing. 15. Good job. Then we have 16, 17. What's missing? 18. Good. Another number. 19. Wonderful. Then 20. You did it. Now, let's count backward from 20 to 1. Good. Let's go. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. Let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Okay, class, let's play our game again. Class, now we have to help John count backwards to fill in his missing numbers. Can you try that, class? Okay, let's do it together. So the first number, we have 6, then 5. What's missing? 4. Good. But another number is missing. 3. Wonderful. Then 2. Good job. Next set, we have 9, then 8. What's missing? 7. Good. Another number is missing. 6. Wonderful. Then 5. You did it. Class, let's continue to count backwards to help John fill in his missing numbers. Let's go. We have 17. What's missing? 16. Good job. Then 15, 14. But another number is missing. 13. Good job. Next, we have 20. But what's missing? 19. Good. 18. But what's missing? 17. Then we have 16. Good job. You did it. Did it, class. Wonderful. Thank you for joining the lesson today, and I will see you at another lesson. Bye.